Hi everybody, welcome to the lesson. My name is Adam Sensei or Adam Lauscher, depending on where you're watching this. Hello, I hope you're all doing well. How are you? Today we're going to be learning about school and the kinds of things that we might learn in school. So, what do you do at school? Repeat after me and ask the question. What do you do at school? What do you do at school? We study at school. We study at school. So now that we know we study at school, we're going to do some flashcards where we talk about the kinds of things we might learn at school.
My school. School subjects. Math. Japanese. Social studies. Science. Music. Art. English. PE. Facilities. Gym. Art room. Science room. Classroom.
What is math? Do you know? Well, in math, we study numbers. We learn about numbers. And I put both of these in here just to show you that study and learn about are the same. You can use either one. It's also important just to say that math, spelled like this, M-A-T-H, is a word that they will use in America or Canada. And if you're in Britain or Australia or New Zealand, they will say maths with an S like that. It's okay, you can use either one, everyone will understand you, but there might be a slight difference depending on where you are. So, what is math or maths? Music class. What do you do in music class? I'm sure you do lots of things in music class, but we can talk about some now. In music class, we sing. We sing in music class. That might be one of the things we do. Or, in music class, we might play the instruments. So, in music class, we sing, or in music class, we play the instruments. Do you have a favourite instrument? When I was in school, I played the saxophone. That was my favourite. Now I'm going to tell you about the kinds of things you study in social studies. It's a very broad topic, social studies. So here are some of the things you might learn about. Social studies. You study the city in which you live, the people who work in your city, and when you are older, you will study foreign countries. Now, I can't read these slides, but I hope that they are useful to you in helping you understand a little bit about social studies. Or maybe this one. Art class. This is another class in which you probably do lots of things. But what are some of the things you do in art class? In art class, we colour, we paint, and we draw. These are some things we might do. Now, this is not a sentence. I've just left all of these words in here, but you use one at a time. You can say we colour, or you can say we colour like this, and that's the only one there. Or you can say or you can say we paint, or you can say we draw. Or something else you might do, you might make many handcrafts. Handcrafts are things you make with your hands. So that's all we're going to talk about today. Let's study a bit more about the art class and PE next time as well. PE stands for physical education, sport, lots of running around. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Post any questions you might have, and we'll work on the worksheet next time. Thanks very much. See you later, alligator.